Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the Ssv Library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. Ensure your Ssv library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Ssv library, the Java Safe Software Verification (SSV) library. It manages the unmanaged localized verification of Java applets and browser-integrated Java content, ensuring localized security policies are enforced during execution. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The recommended fix is a reinstall of Oracle/Java. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to replace the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Ssv library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Ssv Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Ssv library synchronized. If Ssv library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.